In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Slides presentation in a portrait orientation. If you're used to the standard landscape format but need a vertical layout for your presentation, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, making it as easy as possible for you to follow along. First, begin by opening your Google Slides presentation on your computer through your preferred web browser. Ensure you're connected to the internet since Google Slides is web-based and won't function properly offline. Once your presentation is open, you'll see your familiar series of menus at the top of the screen, including File, Edit, View, and others. To change the slide orientation, direct your attention to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for and hover over the Page Setup option. When you click on it, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This box controls the size and aspect ratio of your slides. Right now, it likely shows a standard format, like 16:9 or 4:3. Here's where personalization begins. For a portrait orientation, you'll need to switch the aspect ratio to a custom size, focusing on making the height greater than the width. Within the Page Setup dialog, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it, and it will allow you to choose Custom from the list. Selecting Custom gives you the freedom to define the specific dimensions needed for your presentation. Let's consider dimensions you might use. If you're aiming for a US standard letter size, enter the width as 8.5 inches and the height as 11 inches. This setup is perfect for typical document printing. However, if your presentation is intended for mobile audiences or to be viewable on phones, you should consider an alternate sizing. For a mobile-friendly slide, set the width to 1080 pixels and the height to 1920 pixels. This size mirrors the common aspect ratio of most smartphone screens, ensuring your presentation looks sleek on mobile devices. Once you have entered your desired dimensions, you'll need to apply them. Simply click the Apply button at the bottom of the Page Setup dialog box. And there you have it. Your Google Slides presentation is now in a vertical layout. This change shouldn't affect the content already placed on your slides. However, you may want to adjust text, images, or other elements to better fit the new orientation. Always take a moment to review each slide to ensure none of your valuable content appears awkward or cut off. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Slides orientation to portrait. You're now ready to present in a format that suits your specific needs, whether it be for printing or mobile viewing. Keep exploring and personalizing your presentations with this newfound flexibility.